friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is reveal day for the Make Something New challenge for summer. I hope you're truly inspired by all of the pieces that you find from the participants in the playlist down below. If you have any questions about anything that you may see in the playlist, on my channel, or in today's video, be sure to leave that down in the comment section. If you're brand new to my channel, click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on anything. There's a lot coming up. If you have seen items on my channel in the past, but you haven't had a chance to subscribe, now is your chance. Click that notification bell too so that you don't miss out on anything. If you like today's video, be sure to leave a thumbs up. If you participated, I really appreciate your participation and your support. Thanks so much for tuning in. Take care. For this DIY project, I'm using 3 ivy style garlands from Dollar Tree. They're 4 feet each. 1 spool of ribbon, also from Dollar Tree. It's in the burlap style. It's 9 feet. You can use any color or any style ribbon that you choose. An old satin style pillowcase. You can actually also buy these at Dollar Tree. Twine, a glue gun, scissors, some old Christmas lights, and a hula hoop, also from Dollar Tree. This is the small children's size.